Hi everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a free WordPress website using InfinityFree. First we have to type here InfinityFree, then here you have to select this link. Here if you have not registered, just register now. Click here, then create account. Here I will select $0, create now. Close the ad. Then this will verify that you are human or not, and here you will give the subdomain name. I will give just learners BD. Here we will just select the account password, then account username. In email consent you have to select I approve. In account password, just copy the password. Okay, then create account. Here in just few minutes your account will be ready. Okay, after that you will see an interface like this, and here you can control everything you want. So here just keep the username. Okay, then now we need a WordPress website. Just click in control panel. From control panel we have to go, just scroll down, then select this one. From here we have to install WordPress. Just install. Here you have to also select few setups like admin username, admin password, and your email, admin email. Then here I will give the admin username and admin password. Okay, then just scroll down, then install. Here this will take 3 to 4 minutes. After that your WordPress site will be ready. We will just log in using our password. Return to WordPress management. Okay, from here we will just click in login. Right now in admin panel of my WordPress website, and if I just visit my site, then you can see here my WordPress site is ready. Now it's everything up to you. You can customize as you want and update your WordPress site. But here is an important note for you. If you are not active in 1 month, this free website will be deleted by InfinityFree. So don't make this mistake.